Hey guys, welcome back. We are starting a brand new build. I am so excited about this. You're looking at this thinking, I've got some swamp ash. This is not swamp ash. This is called Empress wood or Paulownia. And I had a shipment come in today and I had to get on it right away because I'm really excited about working with this. It is already a super lightweight material and we're gonna get some really good blanks out of this. I have more showing up in a week or so, and I'm just stoked. So about this build, this is going to a guitar player by the name of Roger Williamson out of the Durham region. That's on the way to the Muskokas, north of Toronto. And he is a guitarist, the guitarist for the Johny Cash tribute band, as well as a renowned and highly respected guitar teacher. And we connected through one of my investors, one of my partners, and we've been chatting. He's checked out my stuff. He's done some testing in that. And so we've decided to come up with a signature model for him. And so I said, I want to try some Paulownia. Now, one of the reasons why I want to go with this wood, because it's super lightweight, is because not only are we putting a drop D tuner on the guitar, but we're looking at a B-bender system of some sort. So I wanted to keep it as lightweight as possible so that it isn't going to fatigue his shoulder for all the playing he does. He's constantly on the road, touring and playing. He just got back from out east, doing a big tour out there, a couple of weeks, I believe. And I want something that is going to be really lightweight. And from the research that I've done, these resonate really lovely. Some guys say they're between a swamp ash and an alder, which works perfectly. Because as you all know, that the majority of the tone does come from the pickups, 80-85%, but to have a highly resonant piece of lumber is really good because we're going to be hogging out some of the body for the B-bender. I want us to start with a really solid foundation. So we have a super lightweight. So I quickly put this together, drew out the template so you could see it. We have a nice cathedral grain happening here. And I can get the same thing with this one. Where was it here? In this piece here, what I typically do when I get a couple pieces up the same length is I'll cut one of them in half. We have a nice 8-inch width here, and that keeps it, almost more or less a one-piece body in my mind. By the time you get out to the extremities of the body, it's not affecting tone because you have your cutout for your controls and whatnot. So that's my theory. So this one isn't done yet, but this will be another blank. I have a couple more coming that are already prepped as blanks, but I may resaw them to adjust the cathedral. I really like this look, and I think guys really like it. No, so about this body, we're going to be finishing it in a midnight blue. There is going to be, it'll have no binding on it. It'll just be a really sweet midnight blue. And if you didn't know any better, this looks like swamp ash. And I just ran it through the planer quickly because it came rough. And I'm going to glue this puppy up. And then I can't wait. I have to pick up a scale now because I don't have one. I want to pick up a scale so I can weigh this when it's done, because I think we're going to be around 4 pounds when we're done. So exciting. Once you get all the gear on it and whatnot, that's going to add 1.5 pounds, 2 pounds. So super happy about that. And while I'm here, what Roger requested was a maple neck. So I have a couple of necks that I have started. They're not finished because I want him to confirm his neck shape and thickness at the 1st fret and 12th fret. This one's really chunky. And so one of these will be his necks. And we'll keep moving on that. Anyways, I thought I'd give you an update. Follow along. I'll be doing a lot of videos on this build so that he can show it off and so you guys can see what I do to build these guitars. And yeah, I'm really excited. Anyways, thanks for watching.